안녕하세요. 저는 리라입니다 and welcome to my channel. And today I dive into WayV a little bit. Some of you have made some suggestions to me and I want to follow that. It's like a Chinese group. It's a Korean company, so that's what I do, but it's more Chinese. So I think I will wrap it up with this one. If you don't have a stunning performance, or performance is difficult to put out, but a stunning music video that I can do. But we do 3 different things now: music video, performance video, and dance practice with 3 different songs. So then I think I will get some of the what they are about. I've heard them before, but I'm not too familiar. So we'll see. Just start. So we go on and we start with Give Me That, and that's a music video, Korean version, since it's a Korean channel mostly. I'll take a full screen on that. Boo boo. Okay. Let's get close. 좀 달라진 꽃같이 손 넘을 듯한 봄봄 공기는 변해 버려서 There are some visuals here, of course, and the one in the purple there. Now it's yeah, you can, nice to see and nice to hear. 우리 둘이면 그냥 no question 뭐든 내줄 수 있어 no flexing 다들 겉으로만 단지 꾸몄대 Hey 매년 nice 100 Superstar처럼 나타나는 널 넉넉히 봐 like fireworks 너의 거친 걸음도 특이한 그 생각도 좋아 You got my heart baby trust me 하루 종일 네 생각이야 이젠 다른 누구도 다 필요 없는 걸 나 없이 살 수 있는 너겠지만 제발 나는 안 돼 나는 못해 baby in 3, 2, 1 Give me your love give me your love give me your love love give me your love give me your love love baby can you give me that baby can you give me that it's so much happening. I like that song, it's cool. So try to listen as well. I think the one in the black is 10, and otherwise I cannot remember, sorry. So they all look alike. It's like not nice thing to say in one way, but what do we have? We have, oh, he's the very good looking guy. But when all of them are good looking, how could you remember? And then the last time they had black hair or blonde hair or pink hair. So they are quite alike in many ways, but of course when you know them more you can separate them. But I just enjoy, how can they be so beautiful, all of them? When I think about Chinese, sorry, yeah, you know, these politicians, that's what you think about in the beginning. So this idol business is all new to me, and there's so much stunning beautiful people. Okay, I hope that they haven't done too much plastic surgery. That's a sad thing, because I think they're quite beautiful as they are. Okay, well, now I'm babbling away. That's 10, I think. He's smiling for real. He is a charmer. But I like the one in the purple. I love purple though, so there are a lot of purples. And I think, I don't care what their name is. The one in the middle here. Who's that? 공기는 변해버려서 let me know
다들 겉으로만 단지 꾸몄대 Hey 매년 nice 100 Superstar처럼 나타나는 널 놓고 봐 like fireworks 너의 거친 걸음 덕득이 한그 생각도 좋아 You got my heart baby trust me 하루 종일 네 생각이야 이젠 다른 누구도 다 필요 없는 걸 나 없이 살 수 있는 너겠지만 제발 나는 안 돼 나는 못해 baby 3, 2, 1 Give me your love Give me your love Give me your love Love Give me your love Give me your love Love Baby can you give me that Baby can you give me that Baby can you give me that Give me that Give me that Give me that Ow Yeah girl you a PYD I could put you in the VIP That's right Good girl but you BAD 내 홈배에 I see me You could take my role No time I'ma put you in the spotlight Pull up on you like skirt 내 맘이 너무 급해 You got my heart baby trust me 하루 종일 네 생각이야 이젠 다른 누구도 다 필요 없는 걸 나 없이 살 수 있는 너겠지만 제발 나는 안 돼 나는 못해 baby 3, 2, 1 Give me your love Give me your love Give me your love Love Give me your love Give me your love Love Baby can you give me that Baby can you give me that Baby can you give me that Give me that Give me that Give me that Baby can you give me that Baby can you give me that Baby can you give me that Give me that Give me that Give me that 그렇게 어렵게 생각하지는 마 조금 더 들어봐 It's the way you walk The way you talking Baby in 3, 2, 1 Give me your love 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 Baby can you give me that Baby can you give me that Baby can you give me that Give me that Give me that Give me that Ow
Wow. This is old vibes, and they were actually standing on, oh maybe it's not finished, standing on a record. Give me that. I love that. Very like 70s vibe or what? I don't know. Well, and now my youth. On my youth.
Ooh, think I played out all of the cards I had. I know sorry's just gonna make you mad. Now you're acting up like in pretend. I don't know why. And I know you never would bat an eye when another guy steps to you to try. So you feel you've been missing out, and that hurts my pride. Listen. All of those lies I told to you.
Oh, so nice voices. Well, that's SM for you. You know you get good singers. That's what I felt, that they never fail on the singers. I love the one in the middle here with the blonde hair in the front and the black. I love that hairstyle because it's a bit longer and it's mixed and not all blonde. But I really think he's gorgeous with his dark eyebrows.
I can pretend I don't know why. And I know you never would bat an eye when another guy steps to you to try. So you feel you've been missing out, and that hurts my pride. Listen. All of those lies I told to you, all of those highs I stole from you. It was all out of my control, but I really want you to know the truth. Blame it on my youth. Hey, you can blame it on that. Blame it on my youth. That was in my past life.
How beautiful lines. Just go back to the floor. You see the lines that goes, especially if they are a bit into hip hop, they are a bit like that. But they really have beautiful lines. I love that. I love this one. The stretch outs, most of them. I tried to find anything to criticize.
So you feel you've been missing out, and that hurts my pride. Listen. All of those lies I told to you, all of those highs I stole from you. It was all out of my control, but I really want you to know the truth. Blame it on my youth. Hey, you can blame it on that. Blame it on my youth. That was in my past life. That was in my past life. Way too much truth. I can't even walk right. I can't even talk right. 'Cause I blame it on my youth. That was in my past life. Caught up in the past. I know they say that we're too young. Every day we're growing. They say we're too dumb. Problem is that we don't know it. Anyway, any day, any case, we gon' elevate. We gon' make mistakes. We get there.
I said that before for another artist, but how can you be that beautiful, that elegant, like ballet, and so cool at the same time, and even with orange hair? They really nail it. And I love the lighting as well. I'm not that good at the video thing. I just enjoy the art, this just the fabric, the lights. You see their eyes in the, oh my god, even in this blurry picture, I'm impressed.
Blame it on my youth. That was in my past life. Caught up in the past. I know they say that we're too young. Every day we're growing. They say we're too dumb. Problem is that we don't know it. Anyway, any day, any case, we gon' elevate. We gon' make mistakes. We get there even if it's late. Young, we wanna celebrate love. We never hesitate. Hate that we miscommunicate. Times they wanna walk away.
Why, yeah, we play the game. Baby, win some, lose some, it's all the same.
Yeah, I could blame it on the rain. I could blame it on the pain. I could blame it on my ego. Put a cross against my name. But I'm way up and I'm trying to stay up. I never wanna walk alone. Just stay in my zone.
Baby, you know they say that love is so wrong. It feels so good, but then you messed wrong.
Just put me in the dark, yeah, I still see accused. No excuses, yeah, I'm guilty, blaming all.
You see he turns, and the leg comes. It's like quick and then slow with the legs. It's so, the details are insane.
Baby, you know they say that love is so wrong. It feels so good, but then you messed wrong.
Just put me in the dark, yeah, I still see accused. No excuses, yeah, I'm guilty, blaming all my. Blame it on my youth. You can blame it on that. Blame it on my youth. That was in my past, that was in my past. Way too much truth.
I can't even walk right. I can't even talk right.
'Cause I blame it on my youth.
That was in my past life. Caught up in the past.
Maybe I had to lose you to know how good I had it, to know how good that we were, to know I'm deep in regret. Now your surface is cold, now you're burned to the core. Perfect picture is torn on the floor, so I need to blame it on my youth. All of those lies I told to you, all of those highs I stole from you.
I really like him. Is that the same as Purple before? I don't know, but I like them all, but he has something extra, I think. And then you see him with side 10, he's like measuring up to him, I think.
On the floor, so I need to blame it on my youth. All of those lies I told to you,
It's extra.
all of those highs.
It's, I think he has you see the expression in his face there as well. You can see what I mean, and the neck and the hair. And I was lucky now. I hit the, or lucky and lucky. He's doing it all the time. There's another one, but
Now your surface is cold. Now you're burned to the core. Perfect picture is torn on the floor. So I need to take it on my youth. All of those lies I told to you. All of those highs I stole from you. It was all out of my control.
I love those voices as well. Sorry, I have to go one more time. Both of them together was so beautiful as well.
I told to you. All of those highs I stole from you. It was all out of my control, but I really want you to know the truth. Blame it on my youth. You can blame me on. You can blame me on. You can blame it on my youth. Hey, that was in my past, that was in my past. Way too much truth. Hey, I can't even walk right. Got me into it. Blame it on my youth. You can blame it on. You can blame it on. You can blame it on. You can blame it on my youth.
Wow, wow, wow. I really love that song as well. So then we go to a dance practice with She a Wolf. So three different songs and three different concepts, I think. Okay, I really love this. It's it's cool choreography. It's a bad sound though, but anyway, if you're a fan, you probably heard this 100 times, but I really love it. Look at the lift. It's the it's so effortless, and that's so cool, because it's not like circus. Now we're going to do. It's just like it's nothing, but it's not nothing. Oh, you should like go more. I leave it there. Wow. My God. It's not talented, it's professional, great performance, and but I'm a bit into the Korean thing. It is Korean style, the K-pop style. I love when it's very a lot of variety, and it was. I really loved all three of the songs. So, thank you for suggesting. Maybe it's not the one that you wanted, but I don't do the Chinese. Sorry, I just had to put the line somewhere. So English is, yeah, I like it more when it's Korean as well, but we do that. And it's so much to see. It's so much to see only with the Korean boy bands, and maybe I should check out some of the girl bands as well. I haven't seen so much of that. Haven't seen much at all, but what I've seen is, I don't like it very much. Maybe because it's the style of the girls. They're not so cool. I like more cool. But you can suggest whatever you want anyway. So I will see into it. And thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. And see you another time. Ciao, gayo.